Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laili Maftuha with ID number 122. I will continue the material from Arifah about classical test theory approach. On analysis item by classic, level difficulty or P could be obtained with some methods, that is 1. Difficulty linear scale, 2. Bivariate scale, 3. Index Davis, 4. Proportion of correct answer. The size level difficulty range among 0 and 1. An item sometimes categorized as extreme hard if score P approach 0 and extreme easy if score P approach 1. The level difficulty is one of the parametric items that can be symbolized as Pi, which is the ratio between correct answer and the number of item answered. The formulation of the level difficulty item is Pi equals small n over big N, where Pi is level difficulty of item number I is equal to question item number, small n is equal to the number of students which answer the item with correct answer, and big N is the number of the students which answered the item. Power differentiator or differentiating power of an item test serves to determine whether or not an item test can be distinguished a group in the aspect measured according to the differences that exist in that group. Point biserial correlation or biserial correlation is product moment correlation that applied to the data. The correlated variables are different to each other. Point biserial correlation tends to prioritize test items that have an average level of difficulty and will be maximum if the level of difficulty is P equals 0,5. Point biserial coefficient is a combination of connection among test items, criteria or total scores, and level of difficulty. Point biserial correlation coefficients can be determined with formula rho pipis equals mu plus minus mu t over sigma t times the root of p over q, where rho pipis is equal to point biserial correlation coefficient, mu plus is equal to average score of students which answered the item with correct answer, mu t is equal to average score total, sigma t is equal to deviation rho score total, P is equal to proportion of students which answered the item with correct answer, and Q is equal to 1 minus P. Biserial correlation is the correlation between test items and criteria, free from influence of the level difficulty of test items. Difference power index with biserial correlation can be found use formula rho p is equal to mu plus minus mu t over sigma t times p over y, where rho p is equal to biserial correlation, mu plus is equal to average score of students which answered the item with correct answer, mu t is equal to average score total, sigma t is equal to deviation rho score total, p is equal to proportion of students which answer the item with correct answer, and y is equal to ordinate P in normal distribution. Difference power index item can be used as consideration for a good or bad item. The good item is an item that have difference power index more than 0,2. The important thing that must also be considered in analyzing the empirical questions is the ability of the distractors or alternative answer provided to attract test takers to choose them. Assessment of the quality of the test items must also look at the function of answer choices, especially the distractors, which must appear as the correct answer for subjects from the low ability group. On the other hand, it should appear as a wrong answer for the subject from the high ability group. If 1. The differentiation power of the test items, and 2. The distribution of answer meet the criteria, then the test items can still be accepted as good test items. The criteria in question are the differences power index of the test item, row piece is greater than 0,3, and the difference power index of answer choices is negative, except for the key. The test results should also from a normal distribution. This can be achieved when the selected items are correct, both in the terms of the level of difficulty and differentiation power. The next material will be explained by my friend Hanifa.